What up, TikTok's Alex, and we're gonna be snacking on some Doritos. I'm gonna show you how I prep them, mama. So we got some crema with it. It's a Mexican kind, my mama. Um, but you can use whatever. Um, Wish I had some jalapeno. We ran out of jalapenos. We got no jalapenos. Uh, I'm just throw like some crema on there. A little snack. Uh, I like crema. You feel me? Some TAPATIO. Mm, it's my uncle. Tapatio, um, Tapatio on that hole, and Pepsi. Don't let Pepsi know. It's our little secret. You're not making me happy. I'll make it up for you, Pepsi. um, let's try this out. So just something simple, feel me? Little snack. Mhm. The the crema, the crema, like elevates the flavor. Like, it's good. It's bomb on her. But that's it, TikTok. I love you and peace.